Welcome to DjangoJobs.net. I'll be taking you through some of the features that will help you to be able to find work on the internet. Now, if you've chosen this video, obviously you're interested in finding work. So this is the page really where you need to be in order to find. Click on the All Jobs tab, and that will tell you the latest list of jobs that are available. Now, just to quickly give you a rundown, we have a list of jobs on here, and you'll find that as time goes by there will be various different jobs, some with premium and some with a normal description. The premium ones are where someone has posted this job and is trying to get somebody as quickly as possible, and has paid extra so that people will and on all of the different networks will be able to see this job. So these are people who are very interested in filling up this vacancy as quickly as possible. The other job descriptions, of course, are exactly the same. People are still wanting people to work for them, but in this case it's not such a pressing need, although you can feel free to apply for these also. Just a few things to note on the site here. We've got this section which is specially designed to help you to get through the listings as quickly as possible and get to the information that's most relevant to you. Now, if we scroll down to these next two, you'll see here we've got the date it was posted. It's an employed job, or you should be expecting to be an employee of the company, and you should also see the location. As you can see, there's a few more on here. The difference has been that obviously the date's different, but this one's a contract job, or a contractor job, or a freelance job, depending on how you like to talk about it. And on top of that, the location's different, but this one accepts remote working. So if you only want to do remote working, you'll be able to see that this one actually is the one that applies to your set of requirements. If you want to work for a company, then that's fine. And if you want to be a contractor, you can see easily from here that each job has its own different specifics about it. And of course we have a small description of the job here, but you can obviously click read more, and that'll take you through and give you the full spec of this job. On top of that, it'll give you the list of requirements for that, and again another full rundown of the requirements. Now, something interesting to note is that if you decide you're interested to this job, then you'll need to fill in your name, your email address, and the message down below. Now, if you're wanting to include a CV that you've already got online, for instance, if you've stored it in your Dropbox, then feel free to include the link in this application. And then once you click apply, this will actually be sent through to the site moderators, who will then check that it's obviously not being spammed by some kind of online spam or hacking site, and it will check the job over to see that there's enough information in there for the end client to be able to read your CV and know that you're right for the job. So once you click that apply, that's sent off to be moderated and approved, and once that's been done, which is very quick, then that'll be passed through to whoever's posted this job. So it's very simple to apply. To make it even simpler, if we go back to the main page, we have our filters. Now we have filter by location, and we can literally filter by whichever place we want to. In addition to that, we can also filter to see if it's a telecommute or not, or in other words, remote working. So if you want remote working only, you'll find there's none in there for London. Or if you don't want remote working and you want to be on site, then you'll be able to filter your lists through there. Now, this is basically one of the best places to come to find Django related jobs. So we've made it as easy as possible for you to get to the people who fit your needs, and of course who you'll be able to help out. Thanks for watching.